In today's House plenary deliberations, officials of the Departments of the Interior and Local Governments went through and under a fine-tooth comb review of its anti-corruption measures and programs, which were found wanting or insufficient by the House panel. Still, the DILG's proposed budget passed plenary muster before the panel tackled the allocation requests of the CSC, the OVP, and others, which our Mela Lismora sums up in this report.
The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, assured that they have various programs against corruption. This after the issue of anomalous flood control projects in the country was raised during the House plenary deliberations on the agency's proposed budget for 2026. According to Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sandanya, stricter monitoring of different government agencies should be imposed to ensure that such controversies will not happen again.
Sa budget po ng DILG ay maraming anti-corruption measures na may potential na makaspot ng mga maanumalyang kagaya ng flood control projects. Nandyan po ang bantay korupsyon, 10 million, monitoring evaluation of LGU Infra, Mayalgo, 547.5 million, local roads and bridges inventory program, LRBIP, 78.271 million. Maliban po sa tatlong ito, meron pa po ba akong hindi nabanggit na nandun po sa budget natin na anti-corruption measure?
Actually, naka-embed po sa ating budget yung Subaybayan Portal and where LGUs are required to upload progress projects. And sa DILG po kasi, they are supervisionary powers over the local government. So even sa province, may provincial DILG tayo, munisipyo, may municipal DILG tayo.
This Thursday, the House plenary deliberations on the proposed 2026 national budget are expected to conclude, to be followed by the period of amendments. House Speaker Faustino Boji-D III himself attended the discussions, stressing that this is the most important law in the country. Apart from the budget deliberations, Speaker D also administered the oath of office to 3 new members of the 20th Congress following the cancellation of the 30 Youth Party List registration. Included are Abono Party List Representative Robert Estrella, Murang Corriente Party List Representative Arthur Yap, and ang Provinciano Party List Representative Alfred De Los Santos. Mela Lismora from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.